Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to make There Is No Game part 4. So in last episode we made something like this.
Hello user.
And if we click
Hello user. There is no game. Hey, stop.
And this is like that, it will fall down and that's this. Yeah, it takes time in explaining, and so it took 3 episodes. And today we will make the intro, like not a game, that one. And if you are watching the video and following the series, then write in the comments that you are following, because I think no one is following and I stopped making it. So yeah, like so let's
Hello user.
first you can see the code we wrote. If anything is missing you can check it. So now first you will have to go to receive this one, and when I receive we will make a new message, start. So it will happen when I say start, then it will do these things. By the way, yeah, when I receive start, this will go, and you can just make it that. And then in O it is, in everything you need to do that. When I receive start, when I receive start, and this one is here, and then again these two are okay, no problem. And in the words, when I receive first you need, when this clicked we will, and when I receive we will go to motion, looks, and hide. And when I receive start, then it will show itself. So now nothing, only O is visible.
Hey, stop.
So we will do the same for it also. When I receive start, when this, it is actually, till that we need to hide it. So show, and we will take hide one also, and go to okay, yeah, events. Actually I forgot, it's too many days. Okay, so now when we will do it, nothing will be displayed. So now it's we will create another sprite. We will name it not loading, and then we will make the text and make it like this, not loading. And then we will make this rectangle, and like this, and it should just be the outline, not fill will be white, and outline will be, what's the outline? The outline here is okay, and the color of not loading will be something else, like its color should be white, not loading. And we will make this sprite to the middle, like something like this. And then this is the costume one, we will duplicate it, and here we will fill it with, let's say, blue. You can choose whichever color you want according to the game, or the real one also, which has some changes. You can make that minus changes. Okay, and in the second sprite I am doing this like this. You need to make in the third costume a bit here, then here, and then full. So let me make and then I will show. And here you go, I made this. So it has 7 costumes, like you can see. It is in grade 1% a bit in each costume. Now comes our code when clicked. Okay, we will start from when clicked. I will do the code and show you because it won't take more time. So this is the code, like when I click switch costume to costume 1, then wait 2 seconds, and then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, and wait 0.2 seconds at the end, and then hide. So it looks something like this. And yeah, at the first you need to do show, and now if you do, you will see this. It is loading, and you can make it 0.3 or anything. It will take it, which is, and after that try to broadcast new message intro 2, and then we will create another sprite which will be paint and name it made by, like this something. And then we will in this costume do text, and which we will write not a game by whatever your name is, and it will be like this, and then set it wherever you want to set. Like I will set it in between, and size will be 120 or 150. What about 50? I will keep it 150. And then in the codes you need to go to events when flag clicked, and when I receive intro 2, and then you will go to controls, looks, and when this clicked hide, and when I receive intro 2 show. So now it will look something like this, not loading and not a game made by Gyan. And then you need to go to control, wait 1 second, and then we will hide this. Okay, so we will go to hide and broadcast the message intro 3, and then you will again click a new sprite, paint, and we will write probably not made in scratch, and in the code we will write the same thing, this code, which is okay. Now it will work something like you can see here, not loading, not a game. Oh yeah, and you need to set it also and name it, and now it will look like something this, not a game by probably not made in scratch. You can make the seconds more so that it is there for longer time. So now
hello user,
and that was actually the clip which we can do, you can do. I will just do, and there is no intro 4, so but it will be there. Then go to hello user, and you will broadcast start here. Okay, so now if you have broadcast start, so everything will work. So let's see. Not loading, not a game by Gyan, probably not.
Hello user, there is no game.
And
Hey, stop.
everything is working. So to make it a bit better, we will go here, make it 2 seconds. Okay, and in the made in also we can do 2 seconds, and then save. And now it is very good,
Hello user.
and it's working. and you can add the effects that are there. It's easy, simple. And if you want any other videos of editing like flying in the sky or anything, you can tell in the comments. That was it for this video.